Hello, good morning to all. Everyone, good morning. Turn on the camera, please.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Everyone, turn on the camera. We'll start our class. Okay. Miraculin. Miraculin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you did well because I didn't check it. I just saw it. You did well from the previous test, but still some improvement needed. Okay. So it's
Okay,
not
sir.
it's good. Its improvement is there. Okay, but still, you need to do some more self practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this time, please do self practice. You have doubt, please ask me. I'm always
Okay, sir.
available for you guys. Okay, guys.
But am I better
Hmm.
from the previous list?
Yeah, not too much better, but yeah, little bit improvement was there because I think you practice it. That's why. So, but it still needed a lot. Okay, even in science, please do read the lines, paragraphs. If you don't understand, please ask me. Like that, you
Sir,
have to work.
did you send the question paper for science? Yes.
No, no, I didn't send the question paper science because I was also busy with some work. So I will send you as soon as possible. Okay,
Okay, sir.
maybe this Friday I will send. Okay, so we
When will you send the corrected paper of maths? Like,
maths corrected paper. Uh, is it if I will get time today, so I will check it today. Otherwise, Saturday is the time because I literally missed that there is a paper, like in from my mouth, from my mind.
um, I
Okay,
attended most of all the questions in the maths. Right.
yeah. Because what I saw in your answer sheet, some steps are still missing. And because when you are missing some steps, you forgot to write the correct answer. That's the problem which I was facing in your answer sheet. If you're following the steps, there won't be any problem regarding that.
Okay, sir. Yeah, that is
Okay.
the problem. I sometimes forget the steps that hit um, uh, HCM, that highest common multiple. All this thing was like a bit
Yeah.
confused.
So
HCF.
it will be done by the practice only.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, Vita.
I have a doubt.
You have doubt in what?
In the exam, I had a doubt in one question.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. Today we'll start a new chapter, and either on Thursday I will take doubt. So you just collect all the doubts from the chapter. So I will take all the doubt at one. Okay.
Okay.
So collect all the doubts from the chapter because this Friday we have test of whole fourth chapter. So you guys have to do a lot of practice. So, okay, everyone turn on your camera. We are starting the class quickly. Now today we'll start a new chapter called as linear equation. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Linear equation. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Agatha, David. Yeah, turn on your camera, please. Everyone, please, please, please. David, Miracle, Nayantara, Obid, turn on the camera, please. Okay, so today in linear equation. Okay, now I will start this thing from the basic of the algebra.
My
Okay,
internet connection, I think, is bad.
okay. 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 So now, first we will understand what is algebraic equation. First, we will understand what do you mean by algebraic equation. Everyone, please pay attention. In algebraic equation, we have variables. Now, what do you mean by variables? Variables are those uh, we can say alphabets which doesn't have a fixed value. Okay, variable does not have their fixed value. They don't have fixed value. Two variable don't have their fixed value. Like for example, if I will write x, so all the alphabet comes in the
So I can't hear you.
yeah. Can you hear me? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So now listen, guys. So what I'm saying that variables are those value which is unknown, which is not fixed, like A, B, C, D. These are called as variable. Okay. All the alphabets come as variable. Okay. The second part is constant. Repeat after me. Constant. Constants are the fixed value. Like if I will come to David house, it is 5. If I will come to my house, it is 5. So all the numbers is comes under the constant. So they are fixed. They are what? They are fixed value. And the third one is operation. Now what are the operations? So operations are basically what are the operations? Operations are the basically plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So these came as operation. So everyone, if possible, please turn on your camera. Okay. If your network is not good, it's okay, but try to fix it as soon as possible. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, all the numbers come in constant value like 5, 7, 8, 9. These all are the constant. And operations are plus, minus, multiply, divide. When all these things combine together, they make algebraic equation like 2x plus 7. This is called as algebraic expression in which we have variable, in which we have constant, and we have operation also. How? It's like if I will write 2x, 2x means 2 multiplied by x, and the plus is also one of the operation, and in plus 7. So this is constant, this is c, this is variable which is unknown, this is again constant which is c, this is operation which is o. So when all these things, variable, constant, and operation, all these things will combine, they will make an algebraic expression. Everyone got it? Abraham, are you there? David, did you understand, beta?
I got it.
Got it? What is algebraic expression? Okay. Everyone, please write it down.
So when we actually finished the 7 or 8 chapters, I didn't yet complete.
You didn't read the 7 and 8 chapter, no?
No, like there's 7 or 8 chapters left
Yeah.
for me to complete.
Now, now the chapters are very small. So it won't take that much time. We'll do
Okay.
it. Exactly. Now, because the chapter number 4 is it's long also and it's little bit complicated also. That's why it take time. But now it will not take time.
So, will you be teaching the TMA chapters?
No. TMA chapter I will not teach, but I will give the answers for the TMA when the TMA time will come. So I will give the answers for the TMA so that you can write it down, you can submit it. Because the TMA chapter will not come in a public exam. That's why I will give you the answers for the TMA. Okay.
Okay.
Now guys, now we'll learn about the another term called as coefficient. Coefficient. Now, what is coefficient? So, if I will write 2x squared minus 7, and if I will say what is the coefficient of uh, uh, x squared, okay? If I will say what is the coefficient of x squared. So, basically, we have this term. Okay, we have this term. So, in that term, when they are asking find the coefficient of x squared, then put your finger on x squared. So, in this term, what is left? Everyone can you tell me? In this term, what is
Minus
left?
7. 2 minus 7.
No. This is the term. This is the term.
Yeah.
Yeah. In that term, x square, if they are asking find the coefficient of x square, then just put your finger on x square. So what is left behind? Only 2.
2. Yeah.
So the coefficient of x square is 2. So coefficient means what is there with it, okay, in that term, particular term. Okay. Everyone got it? Coefficient meaning?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it.
Uh, Now next is term. What is term? Terms are basically, we can understand these are countries. Okay. For example, India and
So
Pakistan country. Yes.
if it's like
Okay.
111,
Mhm.
if it's like 21, and we ask what the coefficient of 1 is, then is it like 2 or 20?
Coefficient always they will ask for the variable. Like what is the coefficient of x square? This is the coefficient of x square. 221 are the variable constant value. Na? They won't ask like that.
Oh, okay.
Got it? They will ask the
Yes.
coefficient of a variable. Like x square variable is 2. And this x square variable is 2. Like that. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what are the terms? What are the terms? Terms are basically like a countries, like India and Pakistan, or India or Bangladesh, or India or Shillong. They not Shillong, India and this thing, Bhutan. So these all are they all are separated by a thing. What they're called? What they're called? David.
Borders.
India and borders. Borders. So in the same way, terms are the countries and they are divided by the borders named as plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus. So if I will write 2x minus 7, so basically how many terms are there? So what are the plus? Like here we have minus. So there are two terms, one term and two terms. Like this is called as the border of the countries. Are you getting this, guys? Say yes or no. Nayantara, got it? Hmm? If I will write 3x squared minus 9 plus 5. So how many terms are there? Anybody can unmute and say quickly. How many terms are there?
2.
Two. Okay. Yeah. I mean, if I will write here 5x also. Now, how many terms are there? Yes. Anybody? Yes, David. What are you saying? How many terms are there?
3.
Three. Yes. One, because this is the one border. This is the another border. So how many terms are there? One, two, and got it? Yes, Agatha.
So why only 3x square minus 9 plus 5 didn't make 3 terms?
Because minus 9 and plus 5 is solvable. Na? Like minus 9 plus 5 is will become minus 4. So it will become two terms only. But here it is not solvable. So basically, we have three terms, one, two, and three terms. Everyone got it? Abraham, Miracle, Obed, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so we have terms. Now, on the basis of terms, there are three types of terms are there. There are how many types of terms are there? Three types of terms are there. First is monomial. Second is binomial. And third is trinomial. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Now, what do you mean by monomial? Mono means one, meal means term. So if only one term is available, it is called as monomial. Are you getting this? For example, 2xy, or if I will say 4x square. So you guys can see there is no plus and minus is there. So this means this is the whole country. It says only one term, that is called as monomial. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Those whose camera is not working today, try to fix it by tomorrow, and please unmute your mic so that I can think that you are
Yeah.
near the Zoom. Okay. Now, what is by? By means two. Meal
Yeah.
means term. So if it has two terms, it is called as binomial. For example, 4x square minus 7. Or if I will say 8x square minus 9. So how many terms are there? There are two terms. Like this is the boundary, 1 and 2. This is the boundary, 1 and 2. So two terms are there. Are you getting this, guys?
Okay, so got
Obed,
No, but
Nayantara, got it?
separately,
Uh-huh. Say, beta.
like, doesn't like one person have terms? I mean,
Say again. Hmm.
say, um, like 4x square minus 7, that
Hmm.
itself has two terms, right?
Yeah. Like minus is dividing it. So there are two terms. One term, two terms. So there are two terms. It is called as binomial.
So then it will be four terms in total, right?
No. This is another one. This is another example. Like 4x square minus 7 is the one example. And the another example is 8x square minus 9.
Oh, okay.
These are the two different examples in which in this example there are two terms are there, like minus sign is dividing into two parts, two terms, 4x and 7. There are two terms. Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yeah.
Now try. Trinomial means three. Tri means three, or mial means term. So if it has three terms, it is called as trinomial. For example, 2x square minus 9x plus 7. How many terms are there, Beraclin, in this?
three.
1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. And the another term is also there. It is called as polynomial. So, anybody has any guess what is meant by polynomial? Please unmute
I've
your mic.
heard this
Yes.
name, but forgot what.
Okay. So poly means more than three. If more than three terms are there, it is called as polynomial. For example, x cube minus 4x plus 7 plus 2x square. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms are there. More than three is there. It is called as polynomial. Agatha, you got it better?
Isn't polynomial more than two terms? I mean, more than one term itself?
No. More than three terms is called as polynomial. Till three terms we have name like monomial, binomial, trinomial, and more than three terms it's called as polynomial. Okay, got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay, everyone got it? Okay. Now next one. The next one is what is the next one I was saying? What is the next one I was saying? Yeah. The next one is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Are you guys writing this or not? Obid, are you writing this?
Yes, sir. I'm writing this.
Okay, Nayanthar, are you there? Are you writing this, beta?
Yes, sir.
Abraham, good morning, beta. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Where were you? I was calling your name.
I'm sorry, sir. I had gone to the washroom, sir.
Okay, so did you understand what I taught till now?
Yes, sir. I know this, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now we will understand the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial means, basically it means highest power. Repeat after me. It is means that highest power of a variable in algebraic expression. Okay, now everyone please pay attention because this is also very, very important. Now listen, guys. For example, if I will write one equation like x square minus 8x plus 5. So first of all, Miracle, how many terms are there? Quickly tell me, beta.
Two terms, sir.
Two terms. How two terms? Can you count me? Like this is the one boundary, this is the another boundary. Now tell me how many terms are there?
3.
1, 2, and 3. Got it, everyone? Now, what is the meaning of degree of polynomial? It's the highest variable of a highest variable. So, like in this, what is the variable? X is the variable, and what is the power
Yeah.
of that? It's 2.
2.
In this, what is the variable? X is the variable. Nothing is written, then we take it as 1. So, what is the maximum variable? 1. And in
1.
this, there is no variable, so we'll take it as 0. So basically, what is the highest power of this whole polynomial? It's 2. So what is the DOP of this polynomial? It's 2. So whenever the highest power of a variable will take it, it is called as DOP. Everyone got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the DOP, or we can say the degree of polynomial of this equation is 2. Abraham, you got it?
So do we like multiply the powers?
No, we don't have to multiply the power. Like for example, this is
Get the deal.
a variable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this, what is the power?
2.
2. In what is in this x is the variable? What is the power?
1. 1.
I wrote what is the power? Like no variable, no power. So 0. Now in this whole equation, what is the maximum power this equation got? Maximum power.
2. 2, sir.
So it's 2 1. Got it?
So what does DOP stand for?
DOP stands for degree of polynomial.
What?
Degree of polynomial. Okay, got it? Now, if I will ask this question from Abraham, if I will say, so first of all, Abraham, tell me what is the maximum, how many terms are there?
So one last thing.
Yes,
When we
Abraham.
take
4.
the DOP, do we only take it like from the variables?
So
Yeah,
4.
only variables, no constant. Yeah.
So
So,
if it's like 5 to the power 3, we won't take that.
where is 5 to the power 3? No. If the
I
question
mean,
of
if it's
yeah, will not take that. If I will write here 5 to the power 3, we will not take it because the variable is not there. Only variable highest power. That's why I wrote that highest power of a variable in a algebraic expression. Only variable.
okay, fine.
Yes, Abraham. How many terms are there, beta? Abraham?
So 4.
4 terms are there. Very good. Now, in each term, tell me the highest power. So in this, what is the highest power?
3.
In this,
2.
no. So now the catch is we have 2 here, but other variable also, which have one power each.
So 1.
Are you getting this? We have to add. We have to add all the variable in a one term. Are you getting?
So, yes, sir.
More,
So 4.
one more time that in a term, if multiple variables are there, so you have to add the variables present in that term.
So
Variable
5.
how it can become 5? Like 2 is there and 1 for y, 1 for z. So it will become total 4 variables. Are you getting this? 4 powers.
And the 2. And the other 2.
Which are the two better? This one?
So the 2 before x.
Two before x. This one?
No, sir. After x minus 3, there's this 2x square.
2x square. So we have to count only the variable power. So we have x square
Okay, sir.
like that. Got it? Okay. Now in this, what is the power? It's 2. In this, 0 because no variable is there. So what is the maximum power? The maximum power is 4. So DOP is 4. Everyone got this? Say yes or no. Maximum power. We have to count
Yes,
the
sir.
maximum. Yes, Obed.
I got it. I got it.
So you tell me the answer of this then. First of all, tell me how many terms are there?
There are 3 terms.
3 terms. Now each term tell me the maximum power quickly.
The first term has a power 2. The second term has a power 6.
Very good. 6. And the third term 0 because no variable is there. DOP of this equation
Is 6.
6. Nayantara, you got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Miracle, you got it, beta?
Sir.
No?
Got it, sir.
Yeah, just give me a second. Now, Miracle will tell me the answer. Miracle, first of all, tell me how many terms are there?
2.
2. So 2. Now, what is the maximum power of the first equation? First term.
2, sir.
And in the second term?
4, sir.
Very good. So what is the DOP of this equation?
4, sir.
Very good. Everyone got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Account में कैसे है कैश तो नहीं कैश कैश प्रियदी के पास है, कुछ नहीं मेरे पास अकाउंट में है तो कैश मैं अकाउंट में मेरे पास अकाउंट में कैश तो नहीं है मतलब कैश होता था पूछो ना उनसे कैश प्रियदी से पूछो प्रियदी के पास है yes everyone got it yes or no
Got it, sir.
got it okay now we got the DOP so now DOP has some types. DOP means what is the full form of DOP? Abraham, what is the full form of DOP?
So I
Full form is degree of polynomial. Remember this thing, okay? DOP full form is degree of polynomial. Repeat after me, Abraham, by unmute your mic and say again.
degree of polynomial.
Very good. Very good. Now, DOP is basically, we will understand it in a 4 types. DOP is basically the 4 types. Okay. DOP is equals to how many types? 4 types are there. The first type, if DOP value is 1, if DOP value is 1,
So your mic is it's very no, it's not clear.
which part better?
Your mic, your sound is not clear.
Okay, is it for everyone? Everyone is not getting my clear sound?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
I'm getting
So I
low.
think it's just for me.
Hello. Now it's getting clear now? A muffled sound.
It's the same, sir. I think it's just for me.
Ibrahim, you're getting my clear sound? Yes or no?
Now I'm getting, so now I'm getting.
Yes.
Maybe network issue, Obid. If it is possible, try to connect with Wi-Fi or to get a new place where it is network.
So
I'm at my grandparents' place and they only have mobile data.
Okay. Try
So
to
I
use
think it's network because I could hear Obed's voice cracking a bit.
Maybe network. Okay, try to. What we can do. David, any tech idea? You can give tech idea to Obed.
Is he using Wi-Fi or data, right?
Data and that Airtel, Bakwas Airtel. He is using.
So
Yeah,
you'll have
see.
get a Wi-Fi, so that's best.
Wi-Fi
Okay,
is
okay.
there at home. I have Wi-Fi at home.
Uh, okay. Okay, guys. So if DOP is one, what is the meaning of that? DOP is one. So who will tell me the answer? Miracle will tell me the answer. Miracle, what does this mean? DOP is one. If I will say DOP is one, what does this mean? If I will say DOP is one, what does this mean? I can't hear you.
I have no idea.
Does
DOP
it
means
mean does it mean that that is like the power of a certain equation? I mean, not a certain equation,
power of a
like a
equation
certain.
is one. Means maximum power of the equation is one. That is called as DOP1. So if DOP value is 1, then the equation is called as linear equation. Remember this thing because we are going to start this chapter by now. Okay, it's called as linear equation. Okay, if DOP value is 2, then it is called as quadratic equation. What it is called as quadratic equation. If DOP value is 3, then it is called as cubic equation. Repeat after me. Cubic equation. And if DOP value is 4, then it is called as quartic equation. What is called? Quartic equation. Okay. If linear equation means the DOP is 1. For example, if I will take example, 2x plus 7. So, Miracle, how many terms are there? Quickly unmute your mic and say.
2.
1 and 2 terms are there. Now, in this, what is the variable? X is the variable. What is the maximum power? Nothing is written, then we will consider as 1. And in this, there is no variable, so we'll take it as 0. What is the maximum power of the equation? It's 1. That is why it is called as linear equation. So, what is a linear equation? Linear equation is the equation in which the variable maximum power is 1. Got it, Abraham? No.
I think so.
Abraham will tell me the answer of the quadratic equation. Abraham, tell me the example of quadratic equation.
So the power is 2.
Yeah, maximum power should be 2. Tell me, any.
So quadratic equation power is 2. Example is 2x square plus 7.
Very good. 12 plus 7. Because Agatha, how many terms are there, Agatha? Unmute your mic and check it.
2.
1 and 2. And what is the maximum power of this equation? Like in this term, there are 2. And in this term, there is only 1. 0. So what is the maximum power of this equation? It's
2.
2. 2 means quadratic equation. Got it? Nayantara? Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the example of cubic equation quickly.
X cubed minus 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0.
Means how many terms are there? It doesn't. If your maximum power should be 3. So if it is 4 terms or 5 terms or million terms, it doesn't mean the maximum power should be 3. Then it is called as cubic equation. Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
David, how many terms are there in which Nayantara give me the example?
Uh,
1, 2, 3, and 4 terms are there.
Total.
Okay. Now, what is the maximum power? In this term, there is 3. In this term, there is 2. In this term, there is 1. And in this term, it's 0. So what is the maximum power of the equation? Quickly.
Three.
3. That is why it is called as cubic equation. Everyone got it? Say yes or no. Now, Obed will tell me the example of quartic equation. Quartic, quickly tell me, Obed.
X to the power 4 minus 2x.
2x. Now, in this, what is the maximum power? 4. In this, what is the maximum power? 1. And 4 is the maximum power, and it's called as quartic equation. Everyone got it? Say yes or no till here.
Yes,
Till
sir.
here, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
in the cubic equation, can you explain how it's 0 came at?
Okay. So, how many terms are there? You tell me quickly.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. Now, in this term, what is the maximum power?
3.
In this term, what is the maximum power?
2.
In this term, what is the maximum power?
1.
This term, what is the maximum power?
0.
So, what is the maximum power of this equation?
3.
Maximum 3. 3 is the DOP then. If maximum power is called as DOP, na,
Yeah.
then it's called as cubic equation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. One more thing that I will explain it to you guys. Linear. Sorry. I taught you this thing, but still I will taught you again so that our all the algebraic um, uh, all the algebraic basics should be completed. Okay. Terms are of two types also. First, it is called as like terms. First, it is called as like terms, and the second, it is called as unlike terms. Repeat after me. Unlike terms. Unlike terms. So, what are the like terms? Like terms means when the variables are same with same power. Now, what does this mean? Everyone, please pay attention. I will give you the example. The examples are, if I will write 3xy, so 8xy. Are they like terms? Say yes or no. They are the like terms because the variables are same. Like xy is there and xy is there. You guys have to see the variables only. No need to see the number. See the variables. If the variables are same, then they are called as like terms. Everyone got this? Yes or no? If I will write 3x square and 9x. So Abraham, are the variables same? No. Why the variables are not same? Because the power is different. Like here square is there, here 1 is there. There it is called as they are not the like term. They are the everyone got this? Yes or no? Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
If I will write 3xy and another one is 3x. Okay, not 3yx, it is 8y. So Nayantara, is it like terms or unlike term?
Sorry, sir.
They are like terms or unlike terms?
Like.
They are the like terms because x, y, y, x, the things are similar. Like 2 into 3 and 3 into 2, both are same things. Got it? Got it, everyone? Now, what is unlike terms? Unlike terms means variable with different power. Variable with different power. Okay. For example, 7x square and 8xy and 9yz like this. They all are the unlike terms. Yes or no? Everyone got the concept of like terms and unlike terms? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Agatha, David? Yes, David.
So you're explaining a linear equation, quadratic equation, and cubic equation. If the DOP is
Yeah.
5, then what type of equation would it be?
its name is there. It's called as, I guess, pentoic equation, but it is also called as polynomial equation also. So like there is two names of the polynomial equation. If the terms are more than three, then it is called as polynomial equation, and if the degree is five, then it is called as polynomial equation. But what we have to remember, this only the four names: DOP3, DOP3, DOP4 till here. If more than five, it is also it's no specific name is there. It's called polynomial equation.
Okay, sir.
Now we learn in the previous chart also, and I gave that chart also. In like terms, we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, and we can divide also in like terms. But in unlike terms, we can only multiply and we can only divide in unlike terms. Everyone got it? Say yes or no. Guys, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Like terms, we can add, subtract, multiply, divide. Unlike terms, we can only multiply and only. Okay, guys. So this is all the basic of the.
Multiply.
Yeah, unlike terms, we can only multiply and divide. We can't add. For example, if I will write one example, if I will take uh, 2xy plus 7x. So, Obi, tell me, are they like or unlike? Quickly tell me.
They are unlike, sir.
Unlike. So we can't add it. We will leave. We have to leave like that only. We can't do anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the all the basics of the algebraic expression that I taught now. Now tomorrow we will start the chapter of the linear equation. Anybody has any doubt regarding the speed now? Is it, am I too fast to understand, or is it good?
Good, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone, huh? Agar
No,
are
sir.
saying that too slow. You need to
No.
be slow.
No.
And don't complain me regarding chapter 7s are left and chapter 8s are left. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start this chapter, linear equation, in this variable, one variable and two variables. So till then, bye. Obey, bye, Nantara. In 2 minutes, we'll start our science class. Okay. Quickly come back in 2 minutes. Hello, Nidhi.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
everyone come back. Quickly come back. We'll start the class. Good morning, Joshua. So we will start our class, science class, by sharp 10:55. So you guys please join at 10:53 so that we can start our class by 10:55. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Joshua didn't join because now Nidhi is also in science class. So if they will join, then I will start the class by 10:55. Otherwise, in math class when it is going on, so I forgot the time. Okay, guys. So yes, we were doing human environment, and in the human environment, we learn about the now today we will learn about the ozone layer. Okay, so we learn about the recycle, reduce, reuse, and everything. Okay, today we will learn about the ozone layer. Now, what do you mean by ozone layer? So, for example, this is our Earth. Okay, and the is Earth has one layer. Like this is called as atmosphere, which we have gases. What gases are available in our Earth atmosphere? Can anybody unmute and say what are the gases are there quickly? What are the gases are there in our Earth atmosphere? Anybody, Joshua, if you have, please.
Carbon dioxide, sir.
Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, 20 oxygen. We have these types of gases, no, that we are inhaling also. Yes or no? Hmm? So gases which are available in our atmosphere, it is in our surrounding, it is called as atmosphere, and it's like a blanket we have around the Earth. It's like a blanket around the Earth. Yes, David, you raise your hand. Any question you have?
No, sir, you're asking right what is the ozone layer, right?
Yeah. Okay. So basically, above the atmosphere, we have one more layer. It is called as ozone layer. Repeat after me. Oh, it is also called as O3 layer. O3 means three molecules, three atoms of oxygen. Like if two atoms of oxygen are there, means it's called as O2, which we inhale. And if three atoms of oxygen are there, it is ozone. Ozone. O3, which stands for ozone. Ozone layer. Okay. So now, for example, we have this sun. Everyone, please pay attention. This is sun. Sun releases some harmful UV rays. So it has basically UVA, okay, UVB, and the third is UVC. These harmful UV rays is basically very harmful for human beings, for animals, for plants also. For example, if I will get direct contact with UVA or UVB, I will get skin cancer. That much harmful is there. Okay. So what ozone layer do? Ozone layer absorb UVA and UVB. I mean, it's like a filtration. You know, chai patti. Who know chai? When we do chai, when we put into the that chai that sieve plate, then what happened? That all the patti is on the upper side and the chai go downside. Yes or no? So UVA and UVB get absorbed by the ozone. It is get absorbed by the ozone. And UVC, which is not harmful. Yes, it's not that much good also, but it's not harmful, but it is coming in the Earth atmosphere. So ozone layer, what is the role of ozone layer? Ozone layer protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Are you getting this, Joshua? Say yes or no? Hmm? Abraham, are you there? Miracle, can you hear me? Am I audible, Abraham?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So everyone got it? Okay, UVA and UVB, which is harmful for our body, it is get absorbed by the ozone layer, and we usually get UVC, which is not that much harmful. Okay. Now one more thing, guys. How this ozone layer form? This is also one of the important question. So basically, what happened? We have oxygen in our atmosphere. Yes or no? We have oxygen in our atmosphere. Now what happened? That sun ray, which is coming from the sun, it split this oxygen into single atom of oxygen. I am repeating again. O2 is there. O2 is a molecule. O2 is a molecule which is made up of two atoms, O and O. Now, what happened that when sun ray is coming, like for example, this pen is a sun ray. It's coming and it's splitting this two oxygen atom like this. Are you getting this? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever.
I'll repeat again. For example, can you see my image? I mean, can you see? I put my thing on spotlight. Now, please pay attention. For example, this is oxygen. Oxygen gas which we inhale, it's O2 form. Basically, what is the meaning of O2 means two atoms of oxygen, one atom and second atom. Got it? This is called as oxygen. Now the UV rays or the sun rays which is coming from sun, it split this oxygen into two parts. One oxygen atom, another oxygen atom. Now they are split. Okay? And the splitted oxygen atom will combine with another oxygen molecule. It's like this. This is another oxygen molecule, and this is splitted oxygen. It combine it with like this, making O3. Are you getting this? Okay. The oxygen, like oxygen atom, is already there in our
Yes, sir.
atmosphere. Percent is there. Okay, and one splitted oxygen atom from the previous oxygen molecule, it will combine and make. Just give. Yes, can you hear me? Sorry, one call came. So I was saying this that this one oxygen atom and oxygen molecule they combine together to form O3, and it is called as ozone. Now, now everyone please pay attention. Can you hear me? Am I audible? It's not working.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Hello. Can you check me? Can you hear me? Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
So your voice is like breaking.
Oh, it's breaking.
Sir, I think it's
Now
your
it
own
has started.
voice.
Yes, sir.
A break. Yeah, sir, we can hear you, sir.
Okay. So what was I saying? So we have ozone made up of three oxygen atoms. Okay. So three oxygen atoms. Now listen. If I will inhale ozone, which is O3, will I survive? No. Ozone is poisonous gas. I will not survive. So, in your book, if you are writing this notes, please write this question also. They can ask you that why ozone is called as friend enemy. Like these types of questions will come. Friend enemy. He is a friend by absorbing the UVA and UVB, which is harmful from rays from the sun. It is working like a friend. And it's enemy also because if you will inhale ozone, you will die.
So it's a frenemy.
Yeah, frenemy. You can say new name, frenemy. Okay. So basically, ozone, if it is near the Earth's surface, where we are living, okay, if the ozone is there, you will die definitely because it's a poisonous gas. But if it is above the surface, like ozone layer we have, okay, it is called as friend because it's absorbing UVA and UVB. Are you getting this, Miracle, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now one more thing. Ozone layer helping us on the Earth's surface by absorbing the UVA and UVB. But in right now we have refrigerator, ACs, deodorant. Okay, right now we are using another gas. But in 18th century or 19th century, when they discovered refrigerator, when they discovered AC, in that they used a gas called as CFC for cooling. It is called as CFC gas. CFC full form is chloro fluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon gas. When refrigerator, AC, and the deodorant get discovered, they are using CFC gas. That CFC gas basically is responsible for the depletion of ozone. Depletion of ozone. And because of lot of CFC gas was used at that time, there was a ozone hole.
Was it over Australia?
No, it's not on Australia. It's around, I think, Antarctica. North Pole. What North Pole has? Antarctica or Arctic? Antarctica is in south, I guess. One of the, like, in North Pole, there got a ozone hole. Okay, it's like a hole. I will show you the picture after, like, when we are ending towards the class. I'll show you the picture. Yes.
Sir, what you wrote ozone hole, and the under you took a arrow and wrote something. We can't
It's
see it in the frame.
Yeah, it's North Pole. You can see that there is a line also. The Arctic and Antarctic region, both. I wrote North Pole there.
Okay. Yeah. The thing you're writing in the black screen. You're writing it, but we can't see it in the screen.
Okay. So you're using tab or what?
Computer, sir. Laptop.
Okay. So I wrote North Pole. Only that part is cutting. No, everything is visible, na?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
I wrote North Pole there. Okay, I will take care of that thing. I'll not write it. Okay. Here, any problem, guys? Jashan, Jeshua, you wrote JT. Now, what is JT? JT, Jashan used to write JT.
Jashan
Huh?
or JK. Jashan or JK. Jashan Kripa. I wrote JT. Jashan Tejas.
Okay. Yeah. Everyone got it till here? Abraham, can you hear me? Am I audible? You understood whole this concept, Abraham? Okay, I guess he's not. Okay, so we'll read this. Who will read this? Okay, just Joshua will read this. Yes, Joshua. Go ahead.
On the global scale, we will discuss few environmental problems such as ozone hole, global warming, photochemical smog, and acid rain, etc. Because of all of these, and many more problems may be localized, but their effect is felt all over the world. The ozone layer present in the Earth's atmosphere prevents the entry of sun's harmful ultraviolet UV radiations reaching the Earth's surface. Industrial of chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs) in refrigeration, air conditioning, cleaning solvents, fire extinguishers, and aerosols, spray cans of perfume, insecticides, medicines, etc., damage the ozone layer. Chlorine present in CFCs on reaching with ozone O O3 layer split the ozone molecule to form oxygen, O2. Oxygen of amount of ozone thus gets reduced and cannot prevent the entry of UV radiations. There has been a reduction of 30 to 40% in the thickness of the ozone umbrella, a shield over the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The thinning of ozone layer is called ozone hole.
Yeah, ozone hole. We'll read the next part also. Please read quickly.
The depletion of ozone layer may lead to the following hazards: sunburn, fast aging of skin, cancer of skin, cardiac opaqueness of eyelids leading to the loss of vision, cancer of retina, sensitive layer of the skin which the image is formed, genetic disorder, reduced productivity at sea and forests. The damage to the ozone layer can be prevented by reducing the consumption of CFCs by adopting alternative technologies, substituting air conditioning gases.
By non-CFCs.
1 minute. By non-CFCs, discouraging the use of aerosols containing spray cans. Should I read
So,
the green effect?
no, that I will teach you first, then you will read it. Till here, any problem? Everyone go through that topic. Any problem? Yes, David, please.
Sir, do they still use CFC gas in AC?
That was I about to say that I guess in 1980 or in 1920, somewhere around in 19 Sodi, they what they did, I got cake in front of me, that's why I was not able to say that thing. Okay. So what I'm saying, yeah, they sign an agreement in which they all the countries they will not use CFCs. Now there is one alternative gas is there. It is called as HFCs. You can write it down because it's not in your book, but still it can sound. HFCs is called as hydrofluorocarbon.
What CFC stands for?
CFC stands for chlorofluorocarbon, and now they are not using CFCs, they are using HFCs. It's called as hydrofluorocarbon. What is called as hydrofluorocarbon. Okay, so now they are using hydrofluorocarbon as an alternative, and uh, it is not problematic uh, for now ozone. And even the ozone layer, which was thinning, what we learned, but now it's become thickening. There is no problem in that. Got it? Yes or no? Okay, now I will teach you global warming. This is also one of the important chapter topic. Now everyone, please pay attention. Okay, so for example, this is our Earth. I will make Earth.
Uh,
Yes, beta.
you're eating cake.
I was. I took little only because I'm on diet, but still the diet is not
Making
working.
me hungry. You're making me hungry.
Okay. Thank you. It's my goal to make you hunger for the studies, for the science, maths, not for the food. Because the food. Okay. So I was saying global warming. Now please pay attention. What is global warming? Okay. Okay. This is the basic concept that I will teach you first, and then I will teach you what happened right now. Okay, listen, guys. So basically, we have this sun. Okay, we have ozone and atmospheric gas, everything that I taught you, everything we have. Now, what happened? Sun rays, which are coming into the Earth atmosphere to the Earth surface. Okay, many sun rays are coming. Many sun rays are coming. And out of many sun rays, most of the sun rays get like they get fall on the Earth's surface and reflected back to the space. Reflected back to the space. So these sun rays are now going into the space. Okay, many sun rays which was coming on the Earth atmosphere, falling on the Earth surface, they get reflected back to the where Abraham is sitting, where David is there. Okay, in the space. Are you getting this, guys? Okay, many of the rays used to go into the space, but now because of some gases like CO2, or I will write this thing. So there is, because of some gases like CO2, CH4, which is called as methane gas, N2O. So because of these gases, the sun rays, which was reflected back to the Earth surface, which was used to do, but now it get trapped in the Earth only, in the Earth atmosphere only. It's look like oven. So when we, like, oven is there, when we close the door, then it will give full heat to the cake. But if you will open the door, then the cake will not be, because the heat is coming out from that door. So it's like that only. It's like an AC. When we are using AC, we open the window. Is it like that? No, no. We close the window, we close the door so that the AC air should be trapped inside the room. It's like that. But in our Earth atmosphere, these gases like CO2, NH2, and N2O, these gases make a blanket like this so that the sun rays, which used to reflect it back to the space, it is not going into the space, but it remain in the Earth atmosphere. And now sun rays, it's now in the Earth atmosphere. Obviously, the temperature of the Earth will increase. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Abraham, the temperature of the Earth will increase because the sun rays are now trapped inside the atmosphere. So the Earth temperature will increase, which resulting in, just give me a second, which resulting in to the melting of glaciers, weathering cycle will change. Hmm? The season cycle will change because of this global warming. So this is called as global warming. Repeat after me. This is called as what? Global warming, in which now the Earth temperature is increasing because of not the sun rays are not going to the space, and it's trapped inside the Earth atmosphere because of the CO2, methane, and 2O gases. Are you getting this? Yes. Now Nidhi was saying.
Yeah, you wrote CO2, CH. Did you write I or L?
CH4, CH4,
Okay. Yeah,
CH4.
I'm not able to turn on my video because it's spotty here. It is spotty.
It's okay. It's okay. Everyone got it? Global warming. David, Abraham, Agatha, quickly tell me, beta.
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abraham got it? Global warming.
So when you have a question, what is global warming? What should we write definition wise?
I
If
will
we
tell you.
draw this, they
Yes,
won't
I got it.
be able to.
It is there. It is there in the book. We will read it, then you will get it. Okay. Now, this global warming is come from where the name come from. It is called as greenhouse effect. Now, what does this greenhouse effect mean? Now, I will ask this question from Joshua. Joshua, in polar region, we have limited sun rays. In North Pole, in South Pole, we don't have sun rays like right now I am having in Jodhpur. It's very limited because it's very cold region also, and the place is on the poles also. Yes, yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there in that place, we need a house in which when sun rays will come. So in the sun rays which will come in that house, the sun rays will get trapped in that house so that the plants inside that house get warm and get enough sunlight and prepare their food. Are you getting this? No.
Yes.
So these are called as greenhouses, which are made in the polar region so that the sun rays, the minimum sun rays which is coming they get trapped inside that house. They keep the plant's environment warm so that it can help in the development of the plant. Are you getting this, Agatha? No. Hmm?
Correct.
So this global warming came the phenomenon to explain this came from the greenhouses. And what are the greenhouses gases? These are the greenhouse gases: CO2, HCH4, N2O. They can ask you this question: what are the greenhouses gases? The greenhouses gas are CO2, CH4, and N2O, which trap the sun rays inside the Earth atmosphere. Are you getting this? Say yes or no.
Can you repeat that, sir?
So the CO2, CH4, and 2 are the greenhouses of the Earth, greenhouse gases of the Earth. They trap the sun rays, which is come from the space to the Earth inside the Earth atmosphere only. Like the sun rays get trapped. Because of that, Earth's temperature is increasing.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll read this. Okay, who will read? David will read. Yes, David.
One second, sir. Greenhouse is referred to as a chamber where plants are grown in a closed, warm environment as compared to the outside temperature. This is normally practiced in cold region of the hills. The solar radiation bringing heat in the form of infrared rays from the sun are trapped inside the chamber. The atmosphere on the Earth can also act in a very similar way as shown below. Industrialization and urbanization has led to deforestation and release of gases such as CO2, CH2, N2O into the atmosphere. Do you know that plant eating animals release a large amount of methane into the atmosphere? These gases have converted the Earth's atmosphere into a greenhouse. Heat contained radiation in the solar radiations is allowed to come in, but the heat contained in it is not sent back due to increasing concentration of CO2 and other greenhouse gases. As a result, the Earth's average temperature is increasing each year, leading to global warming. Effects
Yeah.
of global warming.
Got the answer? Maybe you got the answer? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next part, please. Yes, David.
Effects of global warming. Although the increase in global temperature in the last 100 years has been estimated to rise only by 1 degree, it has resulted in serious consequences such as melting of snow caps, glaciers, and rising of sea level, submerging of coastal areas of the Maldives Islands in the Indian Ocean, unpredictable weather patterns, early maturations of crops leading to reduced grain size and low yields, interference in hatching of eggs in certain fish,
Yeah.
photochemical smog.
So we'll not do photochemical smoke today because it's a big topic. So we'll do tomorrow, and I guess tomorrow we'll complete this chapter. I'll just show you one picture. Just give me a second. Um, This is how the ozone hole is. It's not, I guess it's innate created, but it's very thin. Like you can see that there is thick this side, but it is very thin in the Antarctic and Arctic region. This is how the ozone layer looks like. Guys,
Should it be thin near like the countries? Because
So is it still there,
from the
sir?
most of the gases come from there, right?
but now, yeah, the countries are there, Antarctic and Arctic, but there are no that much people are not there in North Pole and South Pole. So
Yeah.
we don't have that much problem. But now the good news is that we are filling this gases. Like now the ozone layer is not depleting, but it is regenerating because as I told you, how the ozone is formed, oxygen is like UV rays are coming from the sun rays, oxygen is splitting, and the ozone will get regenerated there. Like that. Okay, guys. Did you understand, guys? Still any problem?
So,
No?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll end this class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Sanusha, bye.